Assalamu alaikum dear students. So we are solving question number 5 of exercise 1A book D2 in this video. So in first part we have to find the cost of 10 kilogram of tea leaves. So we have to find the cost of 10 kilogram of tea leaves when 3 kilogram of tea leaves cost $18. So first of all we have to write the given data. So we have we have 3 kilogram of tea leaves. So 3 kilogram of 3 kilogram of tea leaves. This is a mass. Mass का unit होता है ना kilogram. So you have to mass in kilogram. Mass in kilogram and then cost. Mass and cost we have. We have 3 kilogram of tea leaves that cost $18. So we'll write 3 over here. That cost $18. $18, and we have to find the cost of 10 kilogram of tea leaves. So we have to find the cost of 10 kilogram of tea leaves. So as this is unknown, so we will write a variable a in the place of cost. Now we have to draw arrows. As I have explained in question number 1 and 2 of this exercise, this quantity is increasing. So we will draw arrow in downward direction. So if this quantity is increasing, mass ज़्यादा होगा तो cost भी ज़्यादा होगी. So it means that this quantity is also increasing. ठीक है? So we will draw this arrow also in downward direction. Okay, now we will write it in the form of fraction. So we will write 3 by 10 equal 18 over a. So this will be 3 multiplied by a equal 18 multiplied by 10. So a will be equal to 18 multiplied by 10 divided by 3. So we can cancel these two terms. 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. In denominator we have 1 and 6 multiplied by 10. The answer will be 60. Answer will be 60. So the value of a equal $60. Okay, so now we are going to solve part B of this question. In part B, we have to write the given that a kilogram of sugar, we have to find the cost of a kilogram of sugar when b kilogram of sugar costs $C. B kilogram of sugar we have, and the cost of b kilogram of sugar is $C. So first of all we have to write the given quantities. So we have the mass in kilogram, b when b kilogram, so we have b kilogram of sugar, and the cost of b kilogram of sugar is, cost we have in dollars C. Again we have b kilogram of sugar, that cost is $C. ठीक है, and we have to find the cost of a kilogram of sugar. A kilogram of sugar. So we have to find the cost of a kilogram of sugar. So now the cost is not given, we have to find. So we will write x as variable over here. So suppose this quantity is increasing. If this quantity is increasing, then this quantity will also be increasing. So now we can write it as b over a equal c over x. Remember that we have to find x. So x multiplied by b will be equal to c multiplied by a. So the value of x equal c a over b $. As the values of these variables are not given, so we will write it as it is. ठीक है। सो ये जो है हमारे पास x की वैल्यू है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू हैव एनी कन्फ्यूजन इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट्स। इन प्रीवियस पार्ट, इन पार्ट ए वी लेट a as unknown and here we let x as unknown. Okay students, if you have any confusion regarding this question you can ask in comments. Take care students, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.